What's up, you people? In my last video, many people were asking about how to create consistent AI characters. It's a really big pain point, and I gave some thought to it. It was a difficult topic, so I had to do some research on it. In this video, we're going to be going over these images and so many more and generate consistent characters from it. While I was doing that, Google just released a fully new AI image generation model that is very good at creating consistent characters and image editing. I'm sure some of you have already heard of it, and its name is Nano Banana. Or the official name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. I'd say Nano Banana is much easier to say, even though it sounds like it's a smoothie. But don't let the banana fool you. This thing is insanely powerful. So I just wanted to give you my view on this and show you how to use this Nano Banana to create consistent AI characters and do AI image editing and have some fun with it. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, it's still not open source, so we can't run it locally yet. But maybe that will change in the future. That also means that it comes with some sorts of restrictions built into it. But still, it's an extremely powerful model and we can do a lot of things with it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own consistent characters using this model. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright people, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna be using ComfyUI to generate some images, and then I'm gonna use Nano Banana to create consistent characters from it. So let's start with ComfyUI. I've got the portable version and I'm just gonna start it. Now, if you don't know what this is, then I have a video on how to use ComfyUI. It's my second video, so please go and take a look if you want. But if not, then I can just give you a basic overview of what this is. There are a bunch of boxes. There is a model that I'm using. This is the last model that I used in the video. It's still that one. And in here you type what you want. In here you type what you don't want. And in the output you get an image. If you want to know more, then you can go to the previous video and it's pretty fun. So what I'm gonna be doing now is that I will try to generate an image, but I don't want to put in the text myself. So what I'll do is that I will go to CivitAI, and there is a lot of stuff in here. So I will just copy the prompts from here and try to generate those same images. So if I go, okay, let's just go here, CivitAI. You need to log in, so otherwise you can't use it. I can go to models, and the ideal thing to do here is to go to this Epic Realism XL and try to use those images. But what I've found out is that you could try to use other image prompts and see if it works out or not. So there's lots of stuff here. There's lots of models. If you want to know what this is, I highly recommend my other video. But let's say there is this image that we want to generate. So there's this person, and if you click on this image, I can just see what the prompt used for this was. So here, if you scroll down, there's the prompt, and I just copy that and I just go here and I just paste the positive prompt in here. And then there's also a negative prompt, the things that we don't want. We don't want low quality watermark. That's a pretty simple prompt, so I just paste that thing in here. And yeah, the rest of the thing stays the same, and I click on run. And here you have it. It's a pretty good image, I would say so. So let's try to generate this person in multiple scenarios. So if I just save this image, now it's saved. And then I go to Google AI Studio. It's gonna be aistudio.google.com. You need to log in, but once you're logged in, you can try a bunch of stuff in here. So the thing that we want to try is this Nano Banana, but if we can either click this one or okay, I don't want this one. So what I want is that I click on plus, I say that I want to upload an image, and this is the image that we just downloaded. So we open that. So here we we have this image and we can type in what we want to have. So let's say we want that she is sitting in a cafe in Paris. Let's see what happens. It's a very simple prompt. It's not detailed enough. You can do lots of things with detailed prompts, but for simplicity, let's go ahead with this one. And we click on run and it takes just a few seconds. And in 8.8 seconds, we have an image here, which is like look at this. This is the exactly same person sitting in a cafe in Paris, and even the tattoos are the same. So if I go back here and like look at this person, oops, not this one, this person and this person, it's the same, and we can just like keep chatting with it and try to do different things with it. Like we can say she is sitting in an office, and here it is. It's the same person again, same hairs, same tattoos, and it's an office. And since this is a very simple prompt, so you get a very simple output, but if you just tell it what you want, it's gonna do that thing for you. So let's say she is sitting in an office focused on work. She looks a little stressed. Let's see what happens. Alright, so in 8.5 seconds, you've got the same setting, same office that we had last time in the previous picture, but now she's working and she looks a bit stressed. Same tattoos, same hairs, even the same office and same person in the background in here. So I would say this is pretty good. Let's try something else. Let's go back to CivitAI and let's see what else we can do. We have this person, we have this person. Okay, I want to let me go back. Alright, we can generate, let's say, this guy. We have a guy. We can't just generate all the girls, so gotta stay equal. We have this prompt and we copy that and we go to image generation. In here we say this is the prompt, negative prompt is this one. I am not sure how the output is going to turn out because this is a completely different model. We are using a different model. This is epic realism and this is for cyber realistic XL, so that's different. But yeah, that's what I said in the beginning, that you can just use the prompts. It's not stealing, right? It's not. So it's we're just copy pasting. It's public info. Like, what do you expect me to do? Alright, we have got a bit weird picture, but still there is a face, so let's just give it a go, and I think Nano Banana will fix it somehow. So we've got this picture, face is good, the rest is like, what is this badge thing? It's weird. But let's see, if we go back to Google AI Studio and we click on new chat and create a new chat, everything will be destroyed, yes. And we say that upload image, the second one, give me that thing. Now, what should we make it do? Let's also make this guy sit in a cafe in Paris. So he is sitting in a cafe in Paris, but let's change his jacket now. He is wearing a brown leather jacket. Let's see how it goes. Alright, this is pretty good. Like, oh my god, look at this. Same guy, brown leather jacket, sitting in a cafe in Paris, and the face is the same. Like this face, and we have this face. Like, oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy. And now we can do the same thing. We can make him work in an office. He is sitting, double T, come on, in an office, working intensively and looks a bit stressed. Let's see what happens. Alright, we have him in an office. It's the same face. He looks a bit stressed. The jacket is now on the seat. Like, this is crazy. And he's working intensively. Like, if you put intensively, then you get a bunch of screens and a coffee and a laptop and some energy drink as well in here, I think so. Wow, this is crazy. This is amazingly crazy. It's the same guy. So this model is really good at creating consistent characters. So you can just go on and on and on and do whatever you want. Well, let's take a few more examples. Okay, this bit, the face we did not get, but still. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, I have the filters on. I recommend that you do that too, because there's lots of mature content on CivitAI. So if you have to go to the settings and turn the filters on there. So just letting you know. So yes, let's go back to models and let's see. Let's take the examples of the models that this model has. So this one was Epic Realism XL. So we go to Epic Realism XL. I think this is the one that I have downloaded, and we can just see what to do, what this model can generate. Let's try this one. I have used this picture in my previous video as well. We generated this one, but let's try to generate this again. If I go and try to put this prompt in here and the negative prompt in here and click on generate, we get someone like this, which is pretty good, I think so. So if I save this image and I go to the AI Studio, I say upload, not file, no. I say upload image and the latest one. So let's also make her sit in a cafe in Paris. She is sitting in a cafe in Paris. Alright, this is okay, not that bad, works fine. The main thing is that it's the same person. We can do a bit more stuff here, so not this. Let's try to generate persons. So let's generate her. I have generated her also in my previous video. Let's see that. We go back here, we paste the positive, we paste the negative, and we say run. And we get this image, which is not the same as the one that we had before, but let's save and try to generate the same person again. Discard and upload image and the latest that I downloaded. Again, she is sitting in a cafe in Paris. Alright, absolutely same pose and everything. Yeah, we can just do other stuff as well. She is wearing a yellow suit for some reason, I don't know why. Alright, so same person, same pose, same look with a yellow suit. Then maybe we can make her sit outside. She is sitting outside. Alright, same person, just sitting outside in the off cafe, but still in the cafe. So you can generate the same person as many times as you want. So alright people, let's do one last one, but instead of using prompts from CivitAI, let's just do a simple prompt by ourselves. So let's say we want to do a beautiful woman portrait, beautiful clothes, 4K, and I think that's pretty much it. I can just generate something with that, and I can make the CFG to 6 because well, maybe 5 is good, and let's see what we get. And from here what we get is something like this, which is not that bad, I would say so. And if we save that and we try to do something in Google AI Studio, let's see what happens. So let's do this. We can do the same thing of making her sit in a cafe. So she is sitting in a cafe in, let's make it Stockholm now for some reason. Stockholm. Let's see what happens. Well, same person, not that bad. But probably if we don't want the same clothing, let's say she is wearing a black suit. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Same person. But what if we change the setting and we say that she is eating spaghetti? Alright, that is also the same person eating spaghetti. Good. And one thing I've found out is that you can also try to play with the times. So if we say it is the 1800s and she is still eating spaghetti in an old cafe. Well, now what changed? The clothing changed, I think so. I bet, yeah, this is the 1800s clothing, and yeah, some things also changed in the background. So there was curtains. Okay, now there are curtains in here. There are no curtains in there, so it's more 1800s. I don't know if there was electricity back in the 1800s. Okay, what if we do say 1700s? Okay, it's the background people changed as well. I don't know what that thing is. Weird. But now we can say that she is sitting on a beach in 2025. Something happened here. Alright, I don't think I wanted this. So if I want to move from, I think so, let's start with the basic image, and I can just edit this one, and I can say she is sitting on a beach. Alright, this is not that bad. Same clothing and same person, almost. And then we can, what we can do, she is sipping cocktails. Alright, same person, sipping some cocktails, not that bad, chilling. So you can do a lot of stuff. I'm using very simple prompts in here. You can give it system instructions and you can play with these settings as well. But based on just these simple prompts, you are able to do lots of stuff, like lots and lots of stuff. So with that being said, if you liked the video, do give it a like. If you really liked it, and then do give the channel a subscribe. And please let me know if there's something that you would like me to go through so that I can put it to my list and make a video about it. So with that being said, have a really great day and see you next time.